Abusia, I Aprebi waves in the and then Akwasidae Eddie Kind, I won't fear Pino any Adrianu. Because I need you to my Asante Mai and if you are self and Sabia Bruce Sabianado, Wapim so, or what the mass Asante Mai, and so was at the ma of my gunner. Now, face so, what trash here at the room for my sound so, and Akwasidae Caneta Tenua, and on my comfort. Chapter Lucia, why Yamania, Astra Yedia Macrono, Astra Goswa Macrono. One of them growing another. And into a money and the Brumune dear. I have for now one of them come so. One of my year, Minnesota Master year, at the Ama at this year I was Santa Mamu, at the smart Astra year, Ama my Ghana. Now Astra a few months war any year, and into and then Akwasidae Dikai. I need you some Yabestran Koswa, Yabestra year, Yabestra Chijinapa, at your free anonymous amount for her, at your free trading for young grandpa, so one of my children way.
Chairman of the NDC, Nana Kosi, the newly elected Regional Minister, Dr. Akwasidae.
Shall we all rise to welcome the President of the Republic, His Excellency John Mahama.
Ghana Omampani Kufro, the William for John Mahama, and you understand say, I watch you a penny for that I for Medica or Hannah. For the penny protocol, who was in a dinner and buyer. What can I say? What shall I buy? So, and therefore, no, and they say, oh, Hannah, on my penny, Ghana, on my penny, we come for His Excellency John Mahama. Oh, you feel for say.
For should be a beginning to show a
Of course, we have the former Deputy Minister of Works and Housing.
We have Professor Joshua Alabi, Mrs. Betty Maud Idrusu, former Attorney General. We have Mr. Ibrahim Mahama, brother of His Excellency John Mahama. We also have Mr. Sharif Mahama, his adorable son of the President. COP retired. Denton Kobubachi is the Director of Operations at the Presidency. We have Honorable Opon Fosu, the former Minister for Local Governments. Honorable Mohamed Muntaka Mubarak is the MP for Asawasi constituency. Honorable Kanache, former Deputy Defense Minister. Honorable Driver Kawa, MP for the Defense Minister. Honorable MP for the Southeast. Honorable is the MP for New NUPC.
Adenwa ni yuso yedi no. Wofo ya befa John John Wode pedi fo nyina akọrọ so won mo brai. Womo emma mechia Asante Kingdom. Fei ena won makochi awie ya won emba. NDC amadokyo ni nyina da won dom tenani. Yewra Johnson na Sedu Katia. Wishia na wosi General Mosquito. America for the King Mosquito.
Traditional area, and we have the New Patriotic Party, Member of Parliament for Jobin also here, and my brother Akwasidae. The mining of Asante Jobin, Nana Oto Strebo II. Elegantly processing to His Majesty U24 citizen. We so welcome the President of the Republic, His Excellency John Mahama, the Commander-in-Chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. Days seems a bit crowded. If you believe or if you know for yourself that you are not designated to be on the presidential days, respectfully for the security. And those horn blowers and the cameramen, the videographers, we plead with you to give us a little space as the president would like to enjoy the tradition that we are experiencing here for the first episode of the year 2025. Perhaps you can say this is the first festival that the president is attending since his inauguration on the 7th of January.
Hello. President John Mahama. Aphobia upon the chiefdom and in the Baye Ebini. On Manyafu Johnson, the Cedric Cassia, and this Yabanuku of Muina, or no anyone took Sneddy. Okay, won't be by Sasso and Augustus Andrews. Our mere chef, I go ahead to for the okay, or come on. In a day, in a coming, at a kind, a lady kind, a few people, any of the I hate you. Maybe I'm going along. I won't be a harm. I don't want for what we now watch like a change in a gambling. You're posting them for 2 of them. Yeah, you're superior, what you say. And you say, it's in your
Yasama, I'm growing in I'm not from. I'm growing in I'm not from. Yasama, Yama, I'm growing in I'm not from. I get the man, Faye and Oppenson. Ebema, Papai, Akwaba.
I perform my Yasamo. I'm going to be a conform. What's up? Going to be a conform. Said the problem I don't know what here. Said there, I did the kind. That's it. I was at my penny. What about feeding out? I'm on your council. But 2 money bank was I him. And I tell me, Sabane was the guy, I'm a papa. They said, I'm a papa.
Brother, my bosom for a so by we need something to jump out to a the bomb. What the other no debate the canyon the group. The 2 for the massy or the massy.
What's up, boys? Meet him on Benyaswat. Said, I'm going said you Russian. Also, my penny Abraham. A man of council, the press snap pen to me. Black label, pen to me. Cross the man of Papa. Now, Sabi, a day Russi. Now, so my beard do here. It was an anti sea, big a clover. Smash up with Abraham. A man of kind also that chose that that's my name. It was it.
Ọmọ pẹ̀lú sí ẹ̀kọ́ àdá họ ọ̀ṣọ́ ọ̀dà sí ẹ̀dìkà yìí sọ ọdún ìsàkóso àná. Ẹ̀dìkà náà wọ́n pẹ̀lú sí ọ̀dà màsí.
Every day, I help Bama here. Now, I class it. No, do my din. No, penny 7 months of so come as Santa Martin. That's it. Just the Nasi.
That's your brew. This is the official delegation of His Majesty also Force 82, the second.
His Excellency John Mahama.
Majesty, Otumfo Osei Tutu, the second King of the Asante Kingdom, our chiefs and elders, our queen mothers, members of parliament, ministers of state present, political party representatives, citizens of Asante, all Ghanaians assembled here. I want to wish you a happy Akwasidae. Nana, in him say Akwasidae yedi no ene dikan ewo afefo fro yewramwi enti mesrɛ sɛ ɛho hyira ɛma otumfo nyɛ kɛse na Asante man so nyɛ kɛse na yenya nkɔsoɔ. This Akwasidae being the first for the year, it's also the first after the momentous inauguration ceremony that was held at the Black Star Square recently that saw power transferred smoothly from one outgoing political party to another. It is not by accident that this inaugural ceremony was very well attended by Ghanaians of all walks of life and also by many heads of states from across Africa and other parts of the world, and also heads of international diplomatic missions. This smooth transfer of power from the MPP administration to the new NDC administration was acclaimed by the whole world, and it has cemented the credentials of our dear nation Ghana as the beacon and model of democracy, not only in Africa, but in the rest of the world. We must be proud as a nation of the acclaim that we have received, and we must work arduously to defend the peace and progress of our nation. Our democracy might not be perfect, but I believe that in the last 32 years, we have proved to the world that we're willing to work to create a perfect democracy for our country. Your Royal Majesty, our nation, Ghana, is facing a dire economic crisis. While this is not the first time that we have been in such a crisis, this particular crisis, characterized by a high rate of inflation, macroeconomic instability, a depreciating currency, and above all, a debt default which has shut us out of the international credit market, is a more daunting challenge than we have ever experienced in our history. Your Royal Majesty, as President between 2013 and 2017, we faced macroeconomic instability. And I remember that at the time, some of the times we had obstacles in our way of bringing stability to our economy and restoring economic growth. I had the privilege of calling on you to use your influence and diplomacy to smoothen the path so that it could open up the path towards prosperity and progress. And at the time, anytime I called on you, you did not hesitate. And I wish to thank you for the cooperation that I enjoyed with you at that time, and to publicly acclaim and acknowledge that some of the economic progress that we achieved in that period was due to the work that you did. Your Royal Majesty, as we have inherited a difficult economic situation, I'll be calling on you again from time to time. And I know that when I call on you, you will not hesitate, so that we can work together to put our nation, Ghana, back on its feet. Your Royal Majesty, when I was president, you and I worked on several projects here, not only in Kumasi, but in your kingdom, Asante. I remember we worked together on the KJTR market. We worked together on the Kumasi International Airport. We worked together to build many schools, which we call the E-blocks, in several areas of your kingdom. We worked together to expand access to health care by building hospitals, some of which we did not complete. We worked together to improve the road network in the whole of the Asante region using the Cocoa Roads program. We also extended electricity to many communities in Asante and also provided clean drinking water for many communities. Your Royal Majesty, lately I have heard you complain about the lack of development in the Ashanti region. And rightly so, because as you have said, Ashanti region is the second most populous region in the whole of Ghana, and Kumasi is the second largest city. And as you rightly noted, in every country, the second largest city is equipped and developed almost as close as the first city. Because in the event of crisis or invasion or war, government must be able to retreat to another city where it can function in order to safeguard the country. And so I agree with you. That the development of Kumasi as the second largest city is something that we must take seriously. And I pledge that I'm going to work with you so that we can achieve this. There are many projects that have been left uncompleted. The Sewa Hospital is not operational because there's no electricity, there's no water, and the road to the hospital has not been constructed. I wish to assure you that we will tackle it immediately. And make sure that we can open the doors of that hospital so that it will ease the pressure on Okomfo-Anokye. We need to move some of the patients from Okomfo-Anokye to Sewa so that we can empty the infrastructure in Okomfo-Anokye and do the renovations that are necessary. It is difficult to do the renovations of Okomfo-Anokye when the hospital is working at full capacity. And so, Nana, I assure you that we will work together on that. During my administration, we decided that there was the need for a second military hospital. The importance of military hospitals is that they are emergency hospitals that provide health care at all times to the public. And so there are cases where we have had misunderstandings with our doctors and nurses when there has been a strike and the public hospitals are closed. The military hospitals always remain open as emergency hospitals. And that is why we decided to build the second military hospital here in Asante in Afari. It was in an advanced stage of completion, but unfortunately, it has been abandoned, and for 8 years now, it has not been completed. I assure you, we're going to accelerate work on the second military hospital in Afari and open its doors so that it can serve the people of Asante. Your Royal Majesty, I want to take this opportunity to thank the people of Ghana for the confidence reposed in me and the NDC in electing us to government. I know that your expectations are very high. And I know that the challenge that we face are very daunting. But I can assure you that we will do our best and will work our hardest to be able to overcome these challenges and make Ghana a better place for our children and our grandchildren. Your Royal Majesty, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I want to use this opportunity to thank Asante Mine. Many might not consider this the stronghold of my party, but in this election, I believe that the confidence and the votes that Asante region gave us contributed to the overwhelming victory that I scored. And so I can assure you that you can count on me, that when we are sharing the national cake, I'll make sure that Asante region gets its fair share. Your Royal Majesty, on this occasion, I wish you good health. I wish you long life. I wish your kingdom, Asante Kingdom, progress, and may the good Lord continue to bless our homeland, Ghana, and make it great and strong. Thank you very much. God bless you.